going, everybody? Brian back here with a look at Popcat on this chart here. This is a 4-hour chart. You can see the resistance line, the yellow line here. We've come down to a daily support area on this thing. If you come out on a daily timeline, you can see here last time this thing got to this area, you got a bounce, came to this area, got a bounce, came to this area, got a bounce. Alright, so it is in that zone to take off from here. You also got the daily RSI. Let me show you here. Right at the very bottom down here, oversold. The weekly. Let's take a look at where the weekly is actually bearish on this thing. No bearish divergence on here, so that could turn right back up. I don't believe it has a monthly on it yet. No. Alright, so 12-hour has turned to the upside. You can see it's about breaking resistance. I got in a trade on this earlier, right when it broke this, right inside here. Right when it broke this yellow resistance line right here on the 12-hour, I jumped in there. Actually a little bit lower than that. And this trade on here, this isn't my actual money trade on here. This is actually a paper trade. I paper trade while I also leverage trade on Bitunix. It's in the description of the video. If you want to go over there, you don't need a VPN or KYC over there for that. It's proven to be a pretty decent site. We've had quite a lot of people from Discord go over and sign up. And now if we zoom in on this thing on a 15-minute, see some stuff happening in here. Right, it is holding this line perfectly. Looks like a 5-wave up in here. Go up here, it's holding the 382 right here. Right, go on a smaller time frame. You can see these waves a little bit easier. Right here, 1, 2, 3, 4. There should be a 5th wave to the upside, and that should break us out of this thing. On the 4-hour, let me show you the 4-hour RSI here also. You got the 4-hour heading to the upside, the 8-hour heading to the upside. They all look pretty decent. Now, where could this thing head as far as a price target? The first area I would target with this thing, to see if it breaks through this area, it should retrace at least back up to 618,702, right up in this box. Let's put a box up here, right up in here. All right, that should be the first area you should be targeting. If it breaks from here, continues to the upside, but that's what I see this thing doing. I think it's going to stop right here, right back over here on the 8-hour. You can see same area, bounce. If we go back in time here, like I showed you on the daily, same area took off, same area took off. So seems to be a very good spot to take a chance on it. Keep your eye on Popcat. This thing, overall, if we come out on a daily, let me show you something. This could be a wave 4 here and working on a 5th wave up towards 260. Or this is a retracement back up to the 618,702 and a big ABC. We'll have to see once we get up here to $1.74 to $1.81. That's a key area to keep an eye on. A break through that area and eventually $1.89. To break through that, this would be the target up here, 260. Get rejected in this area, and the target's going to be down here somewhere. So we'll keep an eye on this thing as it moves. If we get a bounce from here and a breakout, we'll do a follow-up video within the next couple days and see where it's at. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a great day. Go sign up for that level 3 membership in the description of the video. Get you into the Discord and get you a bunch of videos, teach you how to start trading. Have a great day, everybody.